Do you want to come with me to Walmart? Do you want to come with me to Walmart?
What do you need to buy? What do you need to buy?
I'm out of groceries. I'm out of groceries.
Groceries are expensive at Walmart. Groceries are expensive at Walmart.
You really think so? You really think so?
Yes, you should buy groceries at the market. Yes, you should buy groceries at the market.
I also need some new blankets. I also need some new blankets.
Well, you'd buy that at Walmart. Well, you'd buy that at Walmart.
If Walmart sells both, why go to different stores? If Walmart sells both, why go to different stores?
You'll save money if you do. You'll save money if you do.
Why will I save money by going to different stores? Why will I save money by going to different stores?
Stores have different prices for different things. Stores have different prices for different things.
I got my roommate today. I got my roommate today.
That's great. When do you move in? That's great. When do you move in?
I move in next week. I move in next week.
Is there anything you have to take? Is there anything you have to take?
Yeah, there are a few things. Yeah, there are a few things.
Write down a list so we can go shopping. Write down a list so we can go shopping.
All right, here you go. I'm all done. All right, here you go. I'm all done.
This is a pretty long list. This is a pretty long list.
There's a lot of stuff I need. There's a lot of stuff I need.
I don't think you need a disco ball. I don't think you need a disco ball.
Of course I do. Goes with the strobe light. Of course I do. Goes with the strobe light.
Please write a more practical list. Please write a more practical list. I need new clothes. I need new clothes.
What kinds of new clothes? What kinds of new clothes?
I want something stylish. I want something stylish.
What do you want new clothes for? What do you want new clothes for?
Well, school starts again in a week. Well, school starts again in a week.
Looking good costs money though. Looking good costs money though.
I know what you mean. I know what you mean.
The stuff you're looking for is expensive. The stuff you're looking for is expensive.
Yeah, I don't have much money. Yeah, I don't have much money.
Maybe you should try bargain shopping. Maybe you should try bargain shopping.
That sounds like something my mom would do. That sounds like something my mom would do.
Hey, moms are good at saving money. Hey, moms are good at saving money. That is such a cute dress. That is such a cute dress.
Thanks, I bought it yesterday. Thanks, I bought it yesterday.
Have you worn it yet? Have you worn it yet?
No, I have to accessorize it first. No, I have to accessorize it first.
Did you buy everything you needed? Did you buy everything you needed?
Yep, I have a matching belt, a purse, and shoes now. Yep, I have a matching belt, a purse, and shoes now.
Well, put it on so we can see it. Well, put it on so we can see it.
What do you think? What do you think?
It looks nice on you. It looks nice on you.
Are you sure it doesn't make me look fat? Are you sure it doesn't make me look fat?
No way, it totally flatters your figure. No way, it totally flatters your figure.
Thanks, I hope my boyfriend likes it too. Thanks, I hope my boyfriend likes it too.
Hey, where are you headed? Hey, where are you headed?
I'm going to choose some furniture at IKEA. I'm going to choose some furniture at IKEA.
Are you redecorating? Are you redecorating?
Yeah, I'm tired of having mismatched furniture. Yeah, I'm tired of having mismatched furniture.
What are you planning to buy? What are you planning to buy?
A couch, a coffee table, and a reading chair. A couch, a coffee table, and a reading chair.
Won't that be expensive? Won't that be expensive?
There's a great sale going on right now. There's a great sale going on right now.
Oh, that's great. You'll get good prices. Oh, that's great. You'll get good prices.
I hope I find what I'm looking for. I hope I find what I'm looking for.
Will you have it delivered? Will you have it delivered?
No, I borrowed a pickup truck from a friend. No, I borrowed a pickup truck from a friend. I can't believe the coffee maker broke. I can't believe the coffee maker broke.
Well, it was pretty old model. Well, it was pretty old model.
I guess it did last quite a few years. I guess it did last quite a few years.
We should buy a new one. We should buy a new one.
Do you want to buy the same model? Do you want to buy the same model?
Maybe it's time we upgrade. Maybe it's time we upgrade.
What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that?
Well, now we can buy a better coffee maker. Well, now we can buy a better coffee maker.
What did you have in mind? What did you have in mind?
Maybe something with more functions? Maybe something with more functions?
I would really like an espresso maker. I would really like an espresso maker.
It's settled then. We'll buy a new coffee maker. It's settled then. We'll buy a new coffee maker. This is the perfect birthday cake for my son. This is the perfect birthday cake for my son.
What day do you need the cake? What day do you need the cake?
His party is on Saturday. His party is on Saturday.
Would you like to have it delivered? Would you like to have it delivered?
Oh yes, please. Sometime in the morning would be perfect. Oh yes, please. Sometime in the morning would be perfect.
I can have someone drop it off at 10:30 a.m. I can have someone drop it off at 10:30 a.m.
That sounds perfect. It's settled. That sounds perfect. It's settled.
Great, that will be $20 for the cake and $5 for delivery. Great, that will be $20 for the cake and $5 for delivery.
Can the delivery man enter through the back door? Can the delivery man enter through the back door?
Of course, just write down your address, please. Of course, just write down your address, please.
There, all done. I also wrote my phone number. There, all done. I also wrote my phone number.
All right, thank you. Have a good day. All right, thank you. Have a good day.
Hello, may I please talk to a store manager? Hello, may I please talk to a store manager?
Yes, what seems to be the problem? Yes, what seems to be the problem?
I scheduled some furniture to be delivered today. I scheduled some furniture to be delivered today.
Would you like to change the delivery time? Would you like to change the delivery time?
Yes, something came up and I won't be home until 3 p.m. Yes, something came up and I won't be home until 3 p.m.
That is not a problem, sir. I'll fix it. That is not a problem, sir. I'll fix it.
Thank you. I was worried it had already been dispatched. Thank you. I was worried it had already been dispatched.
It's no problem at all. It's no problem at all.
Please tell the delivery man to be aware of my dog. Please tell the delivery man to be aware of my dog.
Does he bite, sir? Does he bite, sir?
No, but he may trip someone. No, but he may trip someone.
I'll make sure they're on high alert. I'll make sure they're on high alert.